Hello everyone, welcome back to Intellicraft. In this segment, I will demonstrate how to add a holiday for students. Let's get started. After logging into the application, navigate to the side menu and select Holidays. Next, click on the Add Holiday button. First, select whom you want to show the holiday to. You can choose from class, staff, or all. Here, we will select class. Then select class and section to which you want to give holiday. Then choose the type of holiday. Next, select the date range by choosing the from and to dates. Enter the name of the holiday. After that, select the event or holiday type, such as national holiday, religious holiday, school event, exam break, or other. If needed, you can also add a description. Once all the details are entered, click on the Add Holiday button. The holiday will now be successfully added, and you will be able to see it in the student dashboard under the calendar section. Thank you for watching this demo.